This is a quick little video on how to basically set up a campaign on the software called IGDM using VPS or virtual machine. So right now I'm logged into this virtual machine. We have over 8 accounts in this machine right now. We are setting a campaign up for this new account. So first of all, whenever you set up a new campaign, you can just open it up, or if it's closed, you can just restart it again, give it a moment, and when the profile picture logs in and everything is showing up, you can just click on this button and then go to the bulk message option. There, go to the bulk messages again, click on compose new messages. After that, create a new list, click on it, and then what you're gonna do is basically you need to paste usernames here. So how are you going to paste usernames? It's super simple. So for example, we have a list of these account like links here, or these usernames that are inside these links. So you can already see that I have used over 800 different links up till now. Okay, and at a time, make sure you select only 400 lists, or if I will need more lists, I will let you know that you have to select over 600 or 700. But for now, let's just go over to 400 lists only. Now, for that, you can just, I'm just showing you an example because I've already done it. So I'm just going to show it to you again. You can just, select it all, scroll down your mouse, and go until 400, or you can bring it up to 401. This is better. So after that, make sure you copy it. And once you have copied it, make sure you click on this bucket and then click on the black button, so we know that you have used these leads, so we don't come again and use these again. Make sure you always do that. So for now, like, I'm just showing you like as an example, but if we're gonna do this for a new set of leads, then this is how it's gonna done. you know for example, I'm just gonna do this for a couple of them. Click on this, click on black, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, come over to ChatGPT, which is going to be open in the Edge website or the web browser here. If it's not, you can always go to ChatGPT, and it's going to be there. Find out this chart here, clean username list. If it's not there, then you can just create a new chart and ask ChatGPT to basically give you usernames based on these links that we have provided. Okay. Now the next thing is, make sure you give this list in the chart, and just that's it. Just copy and click on enter. Once you have done that, you will get all of these leads, and make sure you check the last username if it's matching the username on the list. So we have selected over, like, last time we did over 401. So Stevie Johnson is here, you can see this name, and Stevie Johnson is here. So that means ChatGPT did a good job. Click on copy and just paste it here. Once done, close this, and then you want to give it the name, whichever name this is. So it's Akif. You can just write Akif 401, whichever one is the last number. Click on next, and it's your wish, by the way. If you don't want to, you don't have to write out the exact name here. So that's up to you. But let's come to the next part, which is more important than this one. Find out this chart message variation creations, or sometimes I will even give you variations myself. Now what you're going to do is that click on just copy here, paste it, then what you want to do is that copy this and click on alternate message variation. And then just a second. Basically, after this is a game of, like, again, cut and paste, cut and paste. That's it. That's all you have to do. I'm not sure why she's calling. So yep, select this. Make sure you use a mouse for this. You can skip this part to the part where I have actually copied all of these, and make sure you do this for all of these. Also, one more important thing to note down is that once you have, for example, once you have used these list of usernames or these messages already, make sure you come up with new set of usernames. And how do you do that? You basically ask ChatGPT to come up with new like list, new set of these variations for these messages, and it's going to do that, and then you just use those. But you only have to do that if you have already used these set of messages already in a campaign. Just like I have created this campaign. Now, the second time if I create a new campaign, then I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to come up with these new list of variations for me. Wait, this one is left, so I'm just gonna copy it down below so we don't leave this out, and that's it. One last one, we just copy this, and that's it. Now, make sure this part is really, really important. You pay attention to this one. Click on add follow-up message. Click on add follow-up and write down there. Let me, that's the case. Okay. You can always like use the typo here, like case or something like that, or something like that. Something that should be different in every campaign that you create. And click on 1 day after message, because we want this message to go 1 day after we have sent the real message. And then second message can be this one, let me know. And then 2 days after previous message, that's it. On limit, you will select 40 messages per day. Then auto reply who responds. This part is important as well. So what you're gonna do is that click on reply regardless of the message content, and I'm gonna give this reply to you later. You can change this. Give me a second. There we go. So just write this down or just copy it. You don't need to do anything. You can just copy it and make sure you select this button. This is gonna break these messages into each different individual messages, and make sure you set this to 30 seconds. This is important. After you have done all of this, you can just click on skip users who you have already opened in conversation with, and click on send bulk message. Okay, one last thing you need to do before you will run the campaign is pause it, then click on edit message, and then head down, and you will see this randomize option. Click on it. Make sure you select it to 15 minutes. This is must. This is a really must. You must do it and click on resume. That's it. Now this campaign is live and it's gonna do it, run smoothly. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for a new list of campaigns I'm gonna set. So for example, if I come over to bulk messages, this one is already finished, and make sure you keep a check on these campaigns as well. Like every other day or every 2 days, you can just come up over to bulk messages and check which campaigns have been finished. So for example, this one has already been finished, and we're going to click on compose new message, create a new list, And again, it's gonna ask me to copy the usernames. For usernames, I'm gonna select, because we are gonna assume that these are all, uncolored list. I'm gonna scroll down, and I'm gonna go to the number 800, or you can just plus 400 every list, and then you're gonna copy this. You're gonna give it to clean username list. I've already done that here. So for example, you're gonna notice that I've already done this for this one a while back ago, and I'm gonna check whether the last name is matching. Andy, okay, there, and Andy is here. Now I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go over here, paste usernames, and head over to the, like, scroll down, and you're gonna see that these two, unnecessary words have already been copied as well. So you're gonna click on cross and cross, and get them removed. Uh, I would recommend you to, like, make sure you write down the sheet name and up till 801, because we have already selected that. Now do the exact same thing here as well. Go to message variation creation. Wait a second. Recent message variation creation. Copy this, paste it here, and wait. You're gonna have to figure out how to scroll this down. Sometimes there's going to be a little bit glitch, and it's not the software glitch. It happens in Windows itself. So we'll have to, like, start from, like, here or something like that. Instead of here, you will have to start from here sometimes. Now I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm just gonna keep doing it. Like, for example, if I start from here, it's not scrolling down. So instead, I'm just gonna start from here. Oh no, it's not working either. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna scroll a bit down, and that's gonna help me. Yep, that's it. That worked. We don't care about the space that is ahead, because software doesn't count that, so you're good with it. Don't worry about it. Copy this as well. Wait, we didn't copy this all. Okay. Again, you can skip this part. And one more important thing, if you have already used these messages before, then make sure you ask ChatGPT to come up with new set of variations. And you can even have me check those variations, by the way, in WhatsApp. Like, if you end up doing anything wrong here, then you can just hold on to Control or Z, and then it's gonna undo what you have done in the specific message. So don't worry about it. It's not that hard. Great. Okay. Wait. So it's only these variations are left right now. So I'm just gonna do that. Also, make sure there's no, like, you can scroll up and check if there's no unnecessary messages on top here. and this one is the last. So once we do that, you know, click on add follow-up message after that and write down the follow-up message. If in case we change this message, we're gonna let you know, but for now, you're just gonna type this down. Let me know if that's the case, and that's it. 1 day after message, and click on add follow-up message again. So it does like 2 follow-ups here, and I'm just gonna write down, let me know. And then this is gonna go into 2 days after previous message. And 50 like you're gonna select this to up to, I guess, let's do 40 messages per day. Make sure you don't increase or decrease this without asking us. Usually you want to go for 40 messages a day, and then click on auto reply, click on this, select a condition. Make sure you select a condition always, otherwise it's not gonna go. So you copy this message and then click on this, click on 30 seconds, break auto. This one is must again, and like every option that I'm showing you right now is a must, so pay attention. After we have done all of this, then we're just going to click on send bulk message here, and then make sure you pause it, click on edit, and then click on randomize, click on 15 minutes, and then update it. That's it. That's all you have to do, and you're done.